How to upload resume and make visible on LinkedIn. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the LinkedIn application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your LinkedIn application on your device. Now, as you're logged into your account, you make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. And now, as you have logged in, simply what you need to do is tap on the option of jobs at the bottom right corner. Here, you can see the option of preferences at the top of the screen, so select on preferences. Select on my qualifications option, and as you tap on my qualifications option, you can just tap on the arrow mark and it will lead you to a new page. So wait for a while and it will just load the page over here. So if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to your cellular data as well. Now what you simply need to do is tap on the upload resume option at the bottom of the screen. So tap on upload resume, and all you need to do is select your resume from your file over here. So let's select on the document section and then tap on the download option. So let's tap on it, tap on the resume option, and here you can just tap on share resume data with hirers. So toggle on this option, and now you can just go back, and that's how you upload resume and make visible on LinkedIn. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.